Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use the Sezzle virtual card online. First, open the Sezzle app on your phone and log in to your account. Once you are inside, you will see different tabs. Go to the virtual card tab if you want to shop anywhere, or go to the shop tab if you want to choose a specific store like Walmart or Target. Next, tap on the option that says make a purchase request or pay with Sezzle. You will now need to enter the total amount you plan to spend. Make sure you include taxes and shipping so the amount is accurate. After that, Sezzle will show you the payment plan. This is usually split into 4 smaller payments. Take a moment to review the terms. If everything looks good, agree to continue. Once approved, Sezzle will generate your virtual card details. Now go to the website of the store where you want to buy your items. Add your products to the cart and proceed to checkout. When you reach the payment section, select credit card or Visa as your payment method. Carefully copy and paste the virtual card details from the Sezzle app into the payment fields. Double-check that all information is correct, then place your order. Once the order is completed, Sezzle will charge the first installment, which is usually 25% of the total, using your default payment method. That is how to use the Sezzle virtual card online. Thanks for watching.